How to make your competitors wonder where all their customers went. Ever notice how some local businesses seem to suck up all the customers like a vacuum cleaner while others fight over scraps? Here's the kicker. 89% of consumers read online reviews before choosing a local business, but most others still think word of mouth is enough. I learned this the hard way when Jake called me, frustrated as hell. His landscaping company had been around for 12 years. Great work, fair prices, loyal crew, yet every week he watched new customers choose his competitors who'd been in business half as long. I don't get it, he said. My work speaks for itself. That's when I showed him the brutal truth. The invisible sabotage killing your business today. Your biggest competitor isn't the guy with flashier trucks or lower prices, it's invisibility. Here's what happens every day. A homeowner searches landscaping near me. Google shows three businesses in the map pack. Yours isn't one of them. Game over before you even knew the game started. The three silent business killers. Your Google business profile looks like it was set up in 2015 and forgotten. Your website loads slower than dial-up internet. You get leads, but they disappear faster than free donuts at a construction site. Meanwhile, your competitors are booking jobs while you wonder why your phone stopped ringing. The customer magnet system. Smart businesses don't chase customers, they become customer magnets. Here's here's the exact system that flips the script. Step 1. Become Google's favorite child. Your Google business profile needs to be bulletproof. Every possible field filled up, every photo updated, and every review responded to. The power move you can act on right now today. Post weekly updates about completed projects. Google loves fresh content and shows active businesses first. Lisa's cleaning service did this religiously. Before and after photos of spotless kitchen every Friday. Her profile went from page 2 to position 1 in 8 weeks. Step 2. Turn your website into a lead magnet or into a lead machine. Most websites are digital business cards. Winning websites are 247 sales machine. The formula. Page loads in under 3 seconds or customers bounce away. Your phone number is visible on every page. A clear book now or book an appointment button that actually work. Your local schema markup implemented on the website, which tells Google exactly what it is you do and what your website is all about. Step 3. Build the review avalanche system. Reviews are the new word of mouth, but most businesses beg for them wrong. The system. After every job, test customer a link. Happy customers get directed to Google. Unhappy ones get routed to you first for damage control. David's Locksmith service automated this, went from 8 reviews to 127 5-star reviews in 6 months. Customers now call him first because he looks more trustworthy. Step 4. Never let a lead go cold again. Here's where 90% of businesses fail spectacularly. They get a lead, call once, maybe send one email, then give up. The follow-up fortress. Text back within 60 seconds. Seriously set this up today. Email sequence that educates instead of pitches. Multiple touch points across different days and times. Automatic reminders so nothing slips through cracks. The compound effect that crushes your competition. When all 4 steps work together, something magical happens. More reviews boosts your Google rankings. Better rankings brings more website traffic. More traffic generates more leads. More leads create more customers. More customers leave more reviews. It's a customer attracting flywheel that makes competitors wonder the hell happened to their market share. The one thing to do today, stop trying to do everything at once. Pick one thing and nail it completely. Your mission, if you choose to accept it. Log into your Google business profile right now. Fill out every single field until it shows 100% complete. Upload 10 photos. Write a compelling description. Schedule weekly posts for the next month. That's it. Nothing fancy. Just complete the one thing before you move on to something else. Comment system below for the next 48 hours only, and I'll send you the customer magnet checklist. This includes the exact Google Business Profile Optimization template, website conversation audit, and automated review generation system that makes competitors wonder where all their customers went. The businesses winning in your market right now aren't better than you. They are just more visible. Don't let another month pass watching customers choose competitors who showed up where you stayed hidden.